What's the meaning of ballot paper? Ballot paper. Ballot paper.
Ballot paper. Ballot paper. A ballot paper is a physical form used for casting votes in an election. It typically contains a list of candidates or options for a voter to choose from, along with a space to mark their choice. The purpose of the ballot paper is to provide a standardized and secure way for voters to express their preferences anonymously. It is a crucial component of any democratic election, as it ensures that each vote is counted accurately and impartially. Properly designed and maintained ballot papers are essential to maintaining the integrity of the electoral process and ensuring that democratic societies remain transparent and accountable.